In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Jotform app to create and customize forms with ease. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to streamline your form creation process, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you have the tools you need to create effective and interactive forms for any purpose. To start, you'll want to log into the Jotform app using your account details. If you don't yet have an account, signing up is quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, it's time to create your first form. To do this, simply tap the plus icon, which stands for Create Form, and you're on your way. Next, you'll be presented with two options. You can either start from scratch and build your form exactly to your liking, or you can leverage a variety of templates Jotform offers to make the process even simpler. Templates can be a great time saver if you're looking for something a bit more structured. Once you've made your choice, it's time to add some fields. You can include basic fields like name, email, and phone, and if your form requires more detailed responses, you can also add dropdowns, checkboxes, and various other field types to suit your specific needs. Don't forget to tap Save to ensure your changes are finalized. One of the great features Jotform offers is the ability to drag and reorder fields easily. This means you have complete control over the layout of your form, ensuring it meets your design and functional criteria before sharing it with others. Now that you have your form set up, let's move on to customizing it. By tapping Design, you open a plethora of options to personalize your form. You can change colors, adjust fonts, and choose the layout that best represents the purpose of your form. Delve into the field settings where you can select options like making fields required or setting placeholder text. You can also add logic to your form by showing or hiding fields based on users' answers, making it interactive and dynamic. Once your form is customized to your liking, it's time to share it with your audience. Tap on Publish or Share to access the different sharing options. You can effortlessly copy the link to your form and send it to others via WhatsApp, email, or any other communication platform you prefer. Concerned about accessibility? How about generating a QR code that can be scanned for easy access? The versatility doesn't end there. You can even embed your form directly on your website using builders like Elementor, seamlessly integrating it into your existing online presence. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use the Jotform app. Whether for a simple survey, a sign-up form, or something more specialized, you're now equipped with the skills to create and customize forms that serve your specific purposes. Thanks for watching.